Hi, we are going to do some unboxing. Unboxing time with this. Wow. We're gonna open this. But first, let me tell you guys what I want here. There's 9 different kinds of Yokki here. And there's one missing. But I wanted to get whatever. But I wanted to get the bear or maybe the rabbit. Or maybe the missing one, who knows, right? But I like everything in here. If you guys can see, there's a lot of options to choose from. But I wanted everything, honestly. But I can only unbox to you just one. And now, are you guys ready? Okay. Ooh. It's this little Yali Studio. I'm guessing there's no bun, there's no ear. What is this? I'm so nervous. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh. It is a bunny. Oh my gosh! I got it! What? Wait, is this the bunny? It is the bunny! Oh my gosh! I like the bear too, but everything is nice. Oh my goodness. Wait, what? And it's a keychain. I'm so happy. I got what I want. And there's actually a QR code over here. It's so cute! I am so happy. Got this. Wow. So right now, I got this. There's actually a lamb, a bear, a dinosaur, which is green one, an elephant, a greedy cat, and also a penguin. And there's one more, a koala. There's a koala. It's purple. And then there's a hidden Yokki. Yeah, I'm so happy. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Oh, it's so beautiful. What should I name you? I should name you Oh, Lily. Hi Lily. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna put you in my bag. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.